Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after making a low of 2353, gold tried to recover. It made a high of 2379 and right now gold is trading around 2370. So if we look at the overall chart of gold right now, my dear friends, then we can see that overall, if on higher time frame, like 4 hours, we can see gold is coming down for proper correction. And as we all know that millions of traders around the world are waiting for the big correction on the chart of gold, and the big levels will be around 2100 but that kind of correction is still far away. Still, it is very early to predict a big correction on the chart of gold because earlier also, okay, a couple of weeks ago also, gold indicated that I'm going down, I'm going for correction, but again it proved a strong. Gold again went up. So it is very early to predict that gold is finally going for the big correction. But technically, we can see that things are pointing towards downside, and yes, we can expect some correction. But as we all know, fundamentals are very important for any trend reversal or continuation. Without any proper fundamentals, okay, we cannot expect a fall of 2000 pips on the chart of gold. And today is important because of the PCE data. Okay, you can see here we have the PC data coming up during the US session. So my dear friends, please be careful because again thousands of traders around the world will lose their accounts. So please, my dear friends, do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. If you're a new trader, beginner, then observe the market to gain experience, but do not gamble. Do not think that you can double triple your account in just few seconds. Okay, because maximum retail traders lose money at the time of news. I was also a victim for a long time. Okay, so these days I do trade when I see that there is a proper opportunity. Otherwise, I also get scared, okay, when I see too much volatility in the market. So please be careful. And if we look at the market sentiment, you can see, as expected, gold is waiting for the news. Gold rises ahead of US PC inflation data. Gold steady, underpinned by geopolitical worries. Gold falls to a 3-week low, gets caught up in a risk asset sell-off. Okay, so this is the ongoing market sentiment, and mostly we can expect that gold will be in this range only. Means before the PC data or US session, you can expect gold to stay within the range of 2400 to 2350. Okay, this is the resistance, or this is the support, or this is the range of gold as of now. Okay, so technically the market structure is bearish. We can clearly see it, but okay, if news gives fuel to the market, then we will see gold going up again. So let's wait and watch. Time will speak. And before I proceed, I would like to mention, my dear friends, that please do not forget, at the time of news, no level is going to work. You simply need to follow the trend of the market. When news dominate, technicals do not work. Do not look for reversals. If you see the market is trending, just go with the flow. That is the only way to make money at the time of news. Okay. For that I have learned. Okay. So let's look at the trading opportunities now. So you can see that I have drawn FIBO as usual, my beloved FIBO. So the next FIBO level is coming around 2383.5. So 238.5. 2383.50. This is the first level on the chart of gold where we can look for a sell during the Asian session and European session because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level. But if gold shows momentum, then the best resistance on the chart of gold is around 2393. Why 2393? You can see at 2393 we have FIBO 50% retracement level. We also have the moving averages working as dynamic resistance, plus the previous support will also be acting as resistance here. So if we combine all the factors, we can expect good selling pressure around this area, and especially before the US session where market is expecting for news, sellers will try to push the market down. As a day trader, we can go for a sell and make some money. How much you can expect? You can initially go for 1:1 risk to reward ratio, means 40 pips stop loss, 40 pips TP. If the selling pressure is high, you can continue with the sell position. Okay, otherwise, in this market, before news, 40 pips is decent enough. And if market goes up with low volume, small candles, then we can also look for 2383.50 as the resistance as well. But if we compare both the resistances, 2393 is a stronger level to take a sell. 2400 is also there, but I don't think so. Market will be heading towards 2400. Chances of market going to 2400 are very less. And yesterday market made a low of 2353. Okay, this is a low made by the market. So before the US session, if gold goes down, we can expect 2353 to 2350. This level to be the support for the market. As a day trader, we can expect a bounce of 40 to 60 pips. Do not expect a complete trend reversal before news. That is not going to happen. But at least as a day trader, we can expect a bounce around this area. After news, okay, after news, if not GBPs, gold starts falling, then we can look for a sell below 2353. Okay. Now see, all the levels will not work at the time of news, but we can look for a sell below 2353 after news as well. And I don't think so the support of 2350 will work after news because of the high selling volume. So after news, if you see the gold is going down, then you can look for a sell below 2353 as well. And these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. And if we switch to a lower time frame, the 50 minutes time frame for more trading opportunity, then also you can see that okay, we do not have much trading opportunities on lower time frame as well. So this is a buy opportunity, and these two are the sell opportunities on the chart of gold. And if you're planning to trade on the middle of the chart, there is a possibility of getting trapped, so please be careful. And if we draw FIBO like this on the middle, then you can expect a quick bounce around 2365. But personally, I do not recommend 2365 as a buy. But if you are a risk taker, okay, you don't mind risking, then you can look for 20 pips bounce around 2365. Personally, I'm not going to trade on 2365. Okay. So that's all, my dear friends. Please be careful at the time of news, and okay, and try to follow the trend of the market. Okay, please do not gamble. Protect your hard-earned money and capital. Do not gamble. Okay, today is Friday. Fridays are dangerous, as we all know. Okay, thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care.